Voice lessons can be terrifying. In fact, I tell most of my students at their first lesson, welcome to your first lesson. You are going to make a whole bunch of embarrassing noises.
Meow, 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 meow. Woo!
Whoa! And it's probably gonna be really awkward for you, but I promise you, you're going to learn so much and you're gonna walk out of here a better singer. So you, my friend, are at an advantage because you are in the comfort and safety of your own space. You can practice these exercises and feel as silly as you like, and nobody has to hear you. And in this lesson, we're going to be going through it as if you were sitting right here in the studio with me having your very first voice lesson. Now, the great thing is yes, we're going to make some silly sounds, but you're gonna walk out of here, metaphorically, knowing exactly what to practice, why you're practicing it, and you'll know so much more about how your voice works so that you can be a better singer right away. So let's dive in. So the first thing we're going to do is warm up our voices. Now we're going to be doing this together, so find a place where you feel really comfortable to make some sound, and we're gonna hum. So I'll play a chord, and we're gonna sing. Now, if you have a low voice or male voice, you can move down an octave. It's just too low for me. And we'll carry on. And then you'll breathe. And stay relaxed. We're gonna head back down. Almost done. Two more. So that was a short and sweet warm-up. So now that we've warmed up, we're going to be working on an exercise. Now this exercise solves so many vocal problems. So you may often hear vocal coaches and singers and people going, it's all about the breath and you gotta breathe from the diaphragm and all of these things that you have to focus on when you're singing. This exercise takes care of all of it. It's called the bubble. And what I love about the bubble is it ensures that you've got just the right amount of breath to get through the notes that you need to sing. Because if you don't have enough, this is gonna happen. It's not gonna work. And it makes sure that your vocal cords are doing what they have to do, resisting that breath. Otherwise you won't get sound. You'll get this. So when you've got everything balanced and working together, you end up with this. So this exercise is super safe, it's super gentle on your voice, and it is a great way to not only work on strengthening your voice, but it will also help you to expand your range. So you're winning with this one, I promise. Now, it can feel very silly. See, I warned you about the silly exercises, because we're actually just sitting here blowing bubbles as, well, probably most of us here are adults and we're blowing bubbles. So you can't laugh. That's another sort of cruel thing about this exercise is it's hysterical, but if you smile or laugh, the whole thing falls apart. So you get your very serious face. You can take your fingers and place them on your cheeks just gently where your teeth are. You don't want to pull up or down. You just want to take some of the pressure off of your bottom lip. It makes it easier. And just go and try not to laugh. And once you got it, we're going to carry that through an exercise that sounds like this. And then breathe. Now, I just want to remind you, this can take some practice to get used to. It's a weird one. use the fingers here, and if it's all falling apart, make sure you're providing enough air to it, so give yourself a little more energy outward, and we'll keep going. And you may find you don't need to use your fingers or your hand. And you want to sing this really strongly. Which is why I have these dramatic hand movements. And we'll keep going for a few more. We need to stay relaxed. We'll do one more and we'll head back down. And here we go. Stay energetic. Strong first note. Couple more. Do you feel silly yet? Two more. Make these your best ones. With drama. Ta-da, you did it! All right, the final step is, yay, singing songs. So, this is the most important thing to remember. As a beginner singer, we're not necessarily worrying about sounding incredible or hitting all of the notes. The first part about singing songs is simply getting used to hearing your own voice, because it can feel kind of scary when we hear ourselves and we just want to sound amazing, but we're not sure if we're hitting everything right. So I want you to forget about that. No judgment here. We are simply going to sing. Now, I'm going to pick something that everybody, hopefully, most people will know anyways. You are my sunshine, my only sunshine. So I'm gonna stop there for a second. What I would like for you to do is sing this with me. I don't want you to sing, you are my sunshine, my only sun. I want you to make noise. I want you to make the shapes. You are my sunshine. I want you to make sure that you've got enough breath coming forward. And I want you to have fun with it. So here we go. You are my sunshine, my only sunshine. You make me happy when skies are gray. You'll never know, dear, how much I love you. Please don't take my sunshine away. So that's your homework. Sing that song. You can sing it a cappella, you can sing it with me, you can sing it without me, but the main thing is that you're singing it. Now, once you've done that a few times and you're feeling comfortable, take that bubble exercise and sing the song on the bubble. You will feel ridiculous, but I promise you there's a method to my madness here. Because after you've sung it through on the bubble, it's gonna balance everything out. The breath is gonna be balanced with all of the notes, and then you'll go to sing the words again, and you'll be like, what? That sounds so much better. So you'll see how everything we've done together in this lesson has kind of worked to help you sound better when you're singing songs. So you warm up, you practice your bubble exercise, you sing You Are My Sunshine, or any song you love, with confidence. Then you go back and you use that exercise to sing through the song, and then you sing the song again normally, and you'll be amazed at your progress. And that is your first voice lesson. So I hope you have fun practicing these exercises. Return to them often, because the more you exercise, the more you practice, and the more you get used to singing songs, the more confidence you're going to build. So once you feel like, I've got this, I'm feeling really good, but I want more, don't worry, we've got you covered. We've got our singing starter kit linked up for you below, as well as a few other goodies that are gonna help you to move forward on your singing journey. So happy practicing, comment below, let me know how this all went for you. I'd love to hear about your experience, and I'll see you around. One more.
Nay, nay. Nay, 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 nay.
Really project your voice.